Hi guys, so today I will share my Pride eye look with you. So first of all, let's take the P.Louise Base in shade 01 and 03 to prime the entire eyelid. Then take the Sandbar eyeshadow from Colourpop, which is a neon pink shade, and apply to the front part of the crease. Then take the Sweetener shade, which is a pastel pink from Give Me Glow, and blend it out. Then take Love Plus from Sugarpill, which is a bright red, and extending the crease, and blend it out again with the pastel pink from Give Me Glow. Then take the shade Salvaje from Terra, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, and apply it to the crease. And blend it out with coastal scents like Tangerine. Then take Night Eyes by Menagerie, which is a very nice bright yellow eyeshadow, and apply it to the crease. And blend it out with Give Me Glow's Peep This. And take the light Tangerine shade again to blend it between the orange and the yellow. Take Evergreen by Sydney Grace and apply it to the outer V of the eyelid. And blend it out with Devinah-Envy, which is minty green, a light minty green. Then take Peep This, which is a pastel yellow again, and blend it between the yellow and the green shade. Take Menagerie-Octopi, which is a bluish purplish color, and apply it to the lower lash line and blend it out with Give Me Glow's Cloud 9, which is a baby blue. Then take Glaminatrix-Burlesque, which is a deep purple, and apply it to the front part of the lower lash line. And blend it out with Periwinkle, also from Glaminatrix. Then use Blank Canvas by P.Louise to cut the crease, creating a dome shape on the eyelid. This is very pigmented and it is perfect for cutting crease. I'm also extending the cut crease to the lower lash line. Then I'm taking Thermosphere, which is a black based multichrome from Devinah, and tracing it along the edges of the cut crease. Wetting the shade definitely makes it a little bit smoother and more opaque. Also applying it on the lower lash line. Wetting the brush again and take the shade Australis, also from Devinah, which is a pink to green multichrome, and apply it to the front part of the cut crease. And use the P.Louise-Blank Canvas again to clean the edges of the multichrome. And take Glow-Good Gawd, which is a iridescent purple shade, and apply it to the entire eyelid. This shade can fall out to the entire face, so be careful when applying it, and apply it to the brow bones and the inner corners. Then I dust off the fallout of the Good Gawd shade, apply some lashes and the rest of my makeup, and the look is complete. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one.